Okay, ul, but you will give the id equal to main menu. Right inside li home, about contact, many more icon will add. Okay, home, about us, contact us, login. Okay, this menu, let it be services. Our services you can add. Contact us you can keep in the last. Our services, keep a like on technologies. Technologies, clients,
Yeah, main, yeah, main.
that is wrong, no?
It's not.
100% wrong. Suppose you will give one space, someone else will use, he will give two space. One person, you given one space, fine working, because you have written the code. Someone else will use the same ID, he will give two space. For him, it will not work. So better ID, class, variable name, function name, file name, no space. If you are okay to write camel case, is fine. In CSS, anyhow, for class name, there is no such rule. All should be small only. Okay, function name have a rule. Yes, you can start with the, you can follow the camel case. Start from a small, then capital, a small capital. Okay, file name also you can follow a small capital rule. Variable you can follow a small capital, but for ID class, give better a small always. Okay, so main menu is ready. So first we'll arrange the main menu. First we'll arrange the main menu. Has main menu. Has main menu. After that, come inside. You can follow the margin for the main menu 0 px. You will follow the padding for the main menu. Padding you can follow somewhere 20 px. Okay. Then background of the main menu. You can keep a maybe blue color or a black color, any color is fine. Then after that, you can write margin 0 pixel you are given, padding you are given, text align center or left right, anything is okay. Text align colon center. Okay, next after that, height is not required. Padding are given no already. Padding if you give, then automatically it will have height width. UL is a block level tag, it cover the full width. See, covering full width. Write the CSS for LI. but not all li, has main menu. Main menu of li. Main menu of li, whichever are there, it should be display colon inline plus padding colon 20 px plus color 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 colon white display inline padding 20 pixel color colon white. So it will become as a menu, as a inline menu, something like this. For body tag, some space is coming, you can write in the beginning. For body tag, margin as a 0 px, margin colon 0 px. Here if you feel padding is more, you can make as a 15 is also okay, 1.5. Here you can make as a 16, 1 pixel more. Okay, so hope your menu is ready, something like this. If there another li has main menu of li colon hover hover of li colon hover, then 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 what will happen is background will convert into blue color. Background will convert into blue color and cursor colon pointer will come. Cursor colon pointer will come. Cursor colon over, color got converted into blue. Text will be in white only, background will be blue color, something like this. So this is the main menus. It should have sub menu. When we go to the technology, drop down should open. So for that, we have to write the next CSS. Write a comment here for sub menu. For sub menu. called comment.
Comment means take.
CSS comment is different. HTML comment is within the CSS. That is HTML comment. This is the CSS code. It is CSS comment. Hmm? This is CSS comment. Yeah, what we have learned, that is called HTML comment. In HTML, the way of writing comment will be different. You remember HTML comment? Yes. That was within the exclamation, less than, greater than. And this is called multi-line comment. Star slash slash star. You will provide HTML comment. No, HTML comment will not. HTML comment will give you error. If you write here HTML comment, it will give you error. Okay, ready? Next, after that, come to the HTML part. So here, till here, the CSS code is for the main menu. Now from here, what we are going to start? Sub menu. CSS for the sub menu. So that I have written a comment for sub menu. Or you can write here CSS code for sub menu. CSS code for sub menu. Next, after that, come to the li. Under that technology, you can add one more UL. Close the UL. For this, write a class called submenu. Inside that, again follow the li, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, script, React.js, and next is called Angular. Okay, next after that, come to the services. Write for technology first. It is under the UL. It is not out of the UL. Okay, okay. Now come under the our services. Keep the same menus. Sub menu. We can add something else. Logo design. Design. SEO. Branding. Marketing. Okay, ready. Next, after that, go to the clients, add inside something, client also. You will open close, class name, submenu, next li, next li, Indian clients, Bangalore clients, Mumbai clients, Chennai clients, external clients. So this all become menu and submenu. CSS we have to write for that. Now, how it is the design? It's going here, there. Something we have to write here. It's coming on, but look here, there. Okay, home services all are mixed up with each other. No problem. Come down to the CSS part. First, under the CSS, okay, what is our expectation is when we move the mouse on LI, when we move the mouse on LI, which LI? The main LI. Their sub menu should open as a drop down. So we can write here first under the sub menu dot sub menu have a LI. That LI should be display block. Under the sub menu, some LI is there. That LI should be display block. Okay, or you can do like this also. Yeah, display block. First keep as a display block. Display as a block. Display as a block. So what will happen here? Under the sub menu, whichever the LI is there, that should be as a display block. So under the sub menu, we have some LI. We have some LI. So what we made this LI? We made as a display block. Block what represent? Go to the new line. Let's go here and check once. Okay, it still remain similar. Okay, no problem. We have multiple solution. Exclamation important. IMPOR, IMPORTANT. Important. Exclamation important. Display block exclamation important. Let's look like this. Under the technology, we have this many technology. All are going to where? New line. Under the services, we have so many services. All are going to the new line. Again, under the client, we have some client. All are going to where? New line. These three are in the same line. Remaining gone to the new line. No problem. Next, after that, come down. Right there. When you move the mouse on, okay, now the next what should happen? So here we made sub menu of LI should be display block. Next, what we should do? By default, the sub menu should be display none. Display 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 should be none. Display should be none means it should be hidden. It should not display which one? The sub menu. Sub menu should not be displayed anywhere. We can keep some background color also. Keep background as a same color, black color. Keep background as a black color. The sub menu by default should be hidden, and whenever it will open, their background will be black color, and under the sub menu, whichever the LI is there, that should be display block. That represent it should go to where? New line. Now check now sub menu is visible. Sub menu is not visible because we have made it a none. Sub menu is by default is none. Okay, display none means it will not display. Next we will write if the user will move the mouse under the main menu. If the user will move the mouse under the main menu of LI, if the user will move the mouse under the main menu of LI, under the LI, if there is a sub menu, then it should get displayed. By default is what? By default is none. Okay, look at the menu structure. It says like if the user will move the mouse, if the user will move the mouse on main li, then it will check under the main li is there submenu. If the submenu is there, then display block. By default, what we are written for display? For my display none. Then we will write a effect, hover effect only. When the mouse will touch the main li, then we will check under the main li, do you have any kind of submenu? If the submenu is there, then display block. Automatically it will get open. Something like this. You can go here and write call has main menu of li colon hover. If you are moving your mouse under the main menu of li and hover, then if there is a class called submenu, because under the all li there is no submenu, right? Under the all li do you have the submenu? Under all the li there is no submenu. Home have no submenu. About us has no submenu. Technology has the submenu. So we wrote here under the main li, under the main menu there is a li there. If the hover will happen, if the submenu is exist inside, if the submenu exists inside, display you have to make it a none. Display block. display. Display you have to make it a block. Display block. Display is a block. Display block. And maybe one more property we have to use. Let us see them. Display block. BLOCK. Okay, hold on. Display BLO block. Display block. By default is none. When the mouse will move, then display will be block will happen, and it should go to the new line. Technology. Okay, no problem. Client is happening. Position we have to give position absolute. After that it will get fixed properly. Let me see which property is missing for UL or LI. Mostly for the LI, one property is missing, that is what position absolute. Yeah. Submenu is block, position absolute. Right here. Position absolute. Absolute. ABSO LUT. Position absolute. Position absolute. Display block, position absolute. Oops. Opening in the left side. We have some more options which we use that. Okay, so it is coming in the left side, no problem. Okay, menu is first opening or not? Menu is opening, right? We can see which property we can add. For li, we have to write maybe some property. Submenu, what we did under the submenu, we have did. Okay, so the problem is not that one. Problem is something else. Problem is something else. Position absolute is okay. Block position absolute is fine, no problem at all. Okay, so here what we do is the display for the main li. Okay, under the main li. Okay, let's write this first. Write it and check once. In the main menu, you have the li. In main menu, you have the li. We have written display inline. We have to write display inline block. Inline hyphen block. Display inline, we have to convert into display inline block. So first check this. If these all are coming, then here under the main menu, you have a li. Display inline, we are written display inline hyphen inline block. Inline block. Display inline block. Display inline block. Display inline block. It is coming. margin related some problem is there, padding that we can write CSS. After that it will come something like this. Technology and all is happening. Okay, so you add this line, then I'll show you the bottom portion of the page. In main menu of li, there is a display inline convert into inline block. Convert into inline block. Okay, display inline block. Now come down below. This is the submenu CSS. You can add it. I will share in the chat also. Submenu CSS came to the chat, or you can write it. Then I'll come to the HTML part. Position fix will become fixed studies or no? Position fix will become right. Anything is coming. Wrong place if you apply something, what will happen? Remove position absolute. Any difference? For which one? For navigation. We will write it. Okay. So hope CSS you have written. Now look at the HTML. But HTML is long part. Which part of HTML you want to say? You need to write in chat. See from beginning. Okay, now come next. Next, what we need to do is we can add here. See, padding become more. Okay, because of this one. In UL display in line block we are given and 16 pixel we are given here. This 16 and this 15 becomes high. Now this padding you can remove. Under the main menu you have written a padding, you can remove that. Under the main menu you have written a padding, you can remove that. Then the height of the menu will be a smaller one. Inside the main menu padding is written, you can remove that. Then height of main menu will be compressed. It will be less height. Height is coming, less height. Next, after that, some problem related to LI, that adjustment. It's coming here, there. This one. So let me see this one. For submenu of LI, we have to do something. You can also do the right click here. Click here and do the right click. Inspect element will come. Go to the inspect element. After doing the inspect element, right click, inspect element. After going to the right click, submenu have li, correct? So submenu have li. So under the submenu we may have to write the padding how much? 0 px. 0 px will be very less. Okay, we have to write different padding, maybe 10 from top, 10 px, 15 px. 15 px is left, right. 10 px again bottom. Let me see what is that. Still it is not managed. Padding on margin. It should be margin. Hold on. Margin from top 0 px. What will happen? From top maybe 10 px. Left, right 0 px. From bottom 0 px. This is for submenu. Some more is required. 10 px from top we are given. We might have to increase that. Okay, so 14 is okay. And then padding. Padding left top 0 px, left 0 px, right 0 px. Which is hash menu is not coming. It look like this. Top left. Okay, the padding was written already here. I added 2 times. Now padding 0 px, 0 px. What is the condition is? It's here. This is okay. It should be in the left side. So for that margin I written top. Left should be how much? Left should be something. - 15 maybe. Minus also we can give. Okay, it is matching here. In services is also okay. Client is also okay. Okay, so in sub menu, margin and padding we need to add. Padding is 0 px and margin is this much. In the sub menu, in sub menu, in sub menu, padding is, this is the margin. Padding is 0 0 0. Padding 0 px, 0 px, 0 px. Let me check once. What is the design? It's look like this. Okay, so come to the CSS code.
On the technology, look at we can widen the part.
Which part?
Technology, it is getting that HTML written, na, that part we can widen, na, so it will be the technology.
What you want to do here? Remove the gap.
No, sir. We need to widen the
Left side.
technology in our service. We go to our service. It is covering full our service. And technology is.
No, that we have solution. First, you make it this much. Padding we can write for li. We can write for li something minimum width it will cover. We can give some minimum width 100 pixel or 150. It will cover that much. Added this two line margin and padding for which one? Sub menu. Which browser you use? Do right click.
Yes, sir.
So me. Click once and ignore it how it will come. Where it is. Go here in the developer there is option settings. Go to the settings. Click here. Yes. Yes. Not here. Second one, yes. What is that? It's something else. Come to the setting. Close this. No, that setting here. Somewhere option there will be. Close that. Go to this setting now. In that, what it says? Wait. If I go here, where is that? It is coming down because from here somewhere option will be there in developer tools. Some icon will be here. Where is that? Settings. Settings. This is also not the one. This is also not the one. That option comes. That option will be here on this one. Oh, here. So panel.
Show panel or show side panel?
So side panel. In that so side panel. This is something else. This is something else. That even not that also. Okay, here only one icon will come. Wait once. Just hold on a minute. means that layout is this is a different thing. This is also different thing. In this, what we have is see here. Gone here, left side, where it was. Click on the three dots. Click on the no middle one. Middle one. It will come back. From there it's an extract.
So it will I'm sorry, but in this tiles,
Mm.
main menu, column, forward dot, sub menu is there also somewhere.
Click there on the left side.
Yes, sir. This one.
Click on that. What you are searching in that will maximize first increase the height. Now what you want? Close this first. Close this.
This one.
Close it. Right click on the page. Instead of
This one.
now go there in the left side menu, showing menu, sub menu. Menu. Okay. Now come to the where you want to go, sub menu.
So this
Click on that. Click open that.
sub
Arrow key icon. Click on arrow key. Beginning of the URL. Now where you want to go, it's here now. Click on that. Click on that. Now see here it will show all. Go on. Which one you want to go, sub menu or like? Just now you click sub menu is coming here.
Yes, sir.
Now where you want to go? Whichever you click that will come here. Main menu of LI is coming here.
Actually, in scrolling.
Mm.
Show this one also.
That will come on over.
Oh, yeah.
That will not come by default. That will not come by default. Once a hover effect will happen, then it will. Okay, so check this. Menu is coming now. Someone have asked something. Okay. Menu submenu is one single horizontal and you. The submenu is vertical. Okay, I will share you the CSS code. Whoever has the problem, they can replace it. Replace the CSS code. Okay. CSS code came in your chat. You can use that. Next, after that, I will send you the all HTML also, UL to UL. Okay, if error, you can replace that. Then it will come like this. Then it will come like this. Now for LI, you can keep a minimum width. Why it is coming in center? Because we have written for UL. Okay, UL we have written text align center is coming in the middle. So for this LI, we can keep text left. Where is that? Is here. Okay, give them some 2-3 minute time. People will be replacing. Okay, hope written. Next, after that, go for the menu and li. Go for the submenu and li. In that, you can keep text align left. Text hyphen align colon left. Text align left. Here, maybe exclamation important will be required. Exclamation important will be required. Maybe exclamation important will be required. Okay, next after this, we should see the li should come in the left side. X is coming in the left side. Now for all the li, see here, according to what is happening in the client, the contents are bigger, so become wide. Here in this contents are small, so become less wide. Here again content is less, so it's become a less wide. So we can give the minimum width for that. For sub menu, you can give a minimum width. Mean width. Suppose 150 pixel. Mean width 150 pixel or maybe any pixel. So if content is small also, minimum width will be that much. If content is more, it may increase also. For sub menu, minimum width will be 150. If the content is more, it will get increased. Minimum width will be 150. If the content is more, it will get increased. So everywhere, how much will come? Minimum 150 will come. For this inner level padding, the height is coming more height. If you want to reduce, you can reduce also. In the sub menu, we have the li. In the sub menu, we have the li. Their padding, left side, let it be same. So from top, you can minus 7 pixel. Left, right, let's keep left, right. Okay, let's keep somewhere 10 pixel. And bottom also keep as 7 pixel. Exclamation important again. So if anything overriding, it will set higher priority. So padding, the li, whichever the padding we have, the height is looking more. The height should become a little small height. And even cursor should convert into pointer. Cursor should CUR. Cursor should convert into pointer. 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 Now padding got reduced. It was taking more space before. Now space is less. Space is less. You can write one li also here. Submenu of li colon hover. Dot submenu of li colon hover. When you move the mouse over there, the color of that convert into orange color. Color of that convert into orange color. Color of that you can convert it to orange color. Color of that you can convert into orange color. And even when it's happening, li color is a orange color. Keep the background also different color. Background, which color? Green color. Exclamation important you can apply so that it will set higher priority for both the places. And if anything is overriding other place, it will set for this as a higher priority. So it will get ready, and then on mouse move, color will come as well as okay, hope happening. Color combination. So when the mouse will go, this happen green color and text converted into different color, all the places. This navigation, you can keep fixed navigation. For that, let's come up. Okay, so we can go up, and inside this, if till here it's working, we can come up to the main menu. So running for how many people? Yes, no, you can say in chat. Okay, for 4 people. Next, come up under the main menu. First, for body tag, you have to give some height, mean height. Then only give mean height 2000 pixel. Then for main menu, write width 100%. Then give position, fixed position. For main menu, width 100%, position is a fixed position. And then for body tag, there must be minimum height of 2000 pixel. Minimum height of 2000 pixel. You can check here. It is coming as usual. This remains same. This height got apply here. Your content, if content will be there, it will keep the scroll up down, and this navigation will be fixed on the top. Here. For height, body you have to write the height, mean height, not 200, 2000. For main menu, also you have to give position as a fixed. So what is the logic in that? Logic is by default, all the main menu are visible and all the sub menu are non-visible. When the mouse will move to the main menu, when the mouse will move the main menu, it will check is inside any sub menu. When the mouse will move the main li, it will check is there any sub menu class. If it is there, then what to do? Display block. Display block, once you do, it will be visible. And there all the li will come to the new line. Since we have used the position absolute, what it will do? The li is the main li, and for that li, whichever the children are there, it will follow the parent. That is called position absolute. Because of that, inside the li, the ul you have written, under the technology you have written the ul. In the beginning, where it was coming? It was coming in the left side because it was following the x zero position. Now, when you are given the position absolute, so what will happen? All the li will follow their parent. Okay, ul will follow the parent. Now, for ul, what is the parent? Parent is the li. So it will not go somewhere else. It will come exact in front of the li. It will come exact in front of the li. Okay, next after that, next come to this page. Let me share the file once. If anyone has problem, they can use that. Template file. After this UL, if you write anything, suppose we follow one H1 tag. For that, if we give ID equal to title, ID equal to title, welcome to my first blog, welcome to my first blog. We are written. So this welcome to my first blog will not be visible, you can see. It will not be visible, it will go inside the menus because menu is a fixed position. It is a kind of hanging menu. So your H1 will go inside. H1 will not be visible directly. H1 is visible anywhere. It's not visible because H1 is hiding behind the menu. H1 is hiding behind the menus. Here. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Submenu we have a class. In some menu there will be less content. Some menu will be more content. How you will manage? You don't have any other option then. Browser. Okay. Definitely we are given the because here there will be more content. If inside the services, if there is a more content, long content, then what will happen? It will extend it. So if you don't want this much reduce, keep 100 only. So in the technology, it will become very thin, and in the services, it will become very big. That will look again odd. Once you go to the client, that will look very big. So I have given 150, thinking like, okay, all will have at least minimum 150 content. If suppose under the services, if we write more content, long content, it will increase. That is the mean width, not only width, mean width. It will increase also. You want to see that? Go here in the client. I went here, add something, add something. Now, if it is a more than 150, it should become as a bigger width. Here, the width got increased. Width got increased. 150, if we don't want to keep 100 pixel, minimum will be 100 pixel. If content is more, it will increase. Okay, so this H1 is not visible. It will not be visible. It's hiding inside. It's visible. Have you given the position? This one, navigation, fixed navigation. Position. See, I'm scrolling up down. My navigation is fixed over there. How it's yours? Yours is going up because of that. You have not given the position fix. Position fix is not given. It's here. Go and add this. Height 2000 pixel and this two line. Width 100 pixel and position fixed. Width 100 pixel, position fixed. Okay, position fix. Hope you have added. Okay, now write a CSS for the ID called title. Has title inside you can keep here padding hyphen top 100 px. It will leave from top 100 pixel and then it will come. Text align center. Text align center. For title padding top 100 px and text align center. Sequence. Okay, so hope it is displaying. Okay, let me see once. Right, it's come here. Now, what will happen if you give the margin here? Have you tried with the margin? Margin top, give once. Padding top we are given, give the margin once. Margin top. Replace the padding with margin. Replace the padding with margin. Hmm? Padding if you write, then where the padding will give a space. Padding give a space inside. Margin give a space outside. So what is happening now? If you write margin top, so your H1 will leave the space in the beginning. How much? 100 pixel. Once it will leave the space on the top, then your menu will start after 100 pixel. Okay, because menu is a hanging menu. It is hanging on the top. Kind of fixed menu. Okay. If it is not fixed menu, then margin top will work easily. And margin top no need to give at one. Okay. Okay. So next we will see. We'll create a banner here with the image, changing photos and all. Okay. Tomorrow we'll download the libraries, font awesome icon. We will add here everywhere. Home will have home icon. About will have about icon. Technology will have technology icon. It will look more better. Menu submenu you try today in one home. Okay. Like home, about, services, contact us, something. Correct. In the info compass website there is a menu submenu. Okay, you can create like that only. It has menu and submenu variable. Okay, that you can follow. It will be important. You will see it is not difficult. Just we have to remember. Okay, main menu is this and sub menu is this. Sub menu will be hidden when it will open once the user will touch by mouse. And for that CSS we wrote 2 points.